Galaxy Buds 3 users have legit reasons to be a bit nervous when they want to remove and change the ear tips. We got your back. In this guide, we will show you how to safely take off the ear tips and replace them for the ones that fit your ear perfectly. To remove the ear tips, grab any one of the buds. What you have to do is just roll the tips inside out, flip it. Now grab the tips like this with your 2 fingers. With a click, the earbud tip will come off. Like this way, you can take off the tips on the other bud. Once you take them off, you can reattach the same ear tip if you took them off for cleaning, or you can select from the small and large ear tip options that came with the buds. This time, what you have to do is just position the notch towards the ones on your audio channel, and then simply press or push the earbud tips towards it. A click will confirm the ear tips have been replaced successfully. You can use this same process for the other earbud. Please let us know in the comment section if you faced any problem while taking off or removing the ear tips. Thanks for watching.